Hi guys! Today we are making a fall hot air balloon. Now that vase came from Dollar Tree. It's more like ceramic, I think it's called. And we're just taking a Sharpie and we're going to go down each one of those grooves. That'll help give your hot air balloon some definition. If you hear screaming, I'm so sorry. So there we go. And then what we're going to do next is add some pumpkin orange acrylic paint. And I'm going to add 2 layers of that. I hope you guys had a great weekend. I just started my new job. I'm actually working at a Family Dollar / Dollar Tree combo. And we're supposed to be fully open on Thursday, I believe. So, yeah. It was nice having, being able to work for a couple of days. So now we're going to need 8 tumbling tower blocks. I also get mine from Dollar Tree. And we're going to make like our little basket or our box for underneath the hot air balloon. And I'm just using my Gorilla wood glue, which I absolutely love, to create that. This is my first time doing a hot air balloon, so hopefully it came out okay. I think so. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I want to thank everybody again for all the continued support. The likes, the subscribing, everything. It's just the comments. I appreciate it all. So thank you. Thank you very much. So we're going to do that, and then we're going to stack the other 4 on top to give us our deeper box. I feel like this is relatively easy. I want to think about another idea for a hot air balloon because this is actually a lot of fun. See if I can find me a little basket, I thought maybe it's so cute. But I think this worked for now. And this Gorilla wood glue, it actually doesn't take long at all for it to dry and set. Maybe 5 minutes, if that. So if you never tried it, I do recommend that. But I have heard that the Dollar Tree's wood glue is good. It's just I use so much wood glue that the little bottles would be a waste for me. So I save money getting a bigger bottle. This is my little wooden square. We're going to paint this white, and then our little box will be wood glued to that. You'll see here in just a minute. If you're new, please feel free to subscribe and join us, and I would love to have you. I'm sure everybody else would as well. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. That really helps my channel grow. Okay, so now we're taking some Java and a baby wipe, and we're going to stain our little box piece. We're going to stain the outside. We're going to stain the inside. Y'all, drop me a comment. Let me know what you think of this. Let me know if you've ever made a hot air balloon. I mean, if you think about it, there is so many possibilities to making the top of it. You know what I mean? Just got to get creative. There we go. Now we're going to glue our piece down. And I have 4, you see the little bamboo skewers over there? There they are. Those came from Dollar Tree as well. I just cut them down to the same size. And now what we're going to do, we got our little box glued to our square. So we're going to angle these, right? So they're going to stick out toward the middle. Not straight up and down. See how that's kind of angled? We want it to go inwards. Okay? And now another thing, since that vase is so heavy, well, I mean, it's not like crazy heavy, but you know what I mean, compared to those little tiny sticks. I had to think a minute, okay, so how can I get this to be more sturdy? I'll show you that in a second. I think I came up with a good idea? If you have a better one or another option, comment below. Let me know what you think. We're just using some super glue to get these set. And then what we're going to do is bring those tips together and glue them together to make a point. Yeah, that super glue. That one's actually from Dollar Tree, and it actually ain't bad, y'all. It really ain't. Doesn't take long for that to set. So that's what I did first. First time I had my bamboo skewers like that. But I'll show you. I have to cut them down a little bit more. But now what we're going to do is we got a cork, okay? Now we need to cut that cork down to where it'll fit in that hole of the vase, okay? So we're going to cut it down. I end up using a butcher knife because the scissors and the box cutter were not working. So I pulled out my butcher knife and I cut it down to fit. And then we're going to drill a hole. Stop, Remy. There we go. Now you'll see I cut down my bamboo skewers a little bit more. And now we're going to drill our hole. We need it wide enough so it goes over that tip, you know, of the bamboo skewers. Y'all, this is really hard to explain. It's probably easier to watch than to tell on this part. You know what I mean? Now, there we go. We got our piece cut down. It fits nicely, snugly in there. I'm going to take super glue and we're going to reinforce that bad boy. I'm going to go all around the edge to make sure that's nice and stuck. And I let that sit for maybe 5 minutes before I actually put it on top. See, there we go. Now we're going to put some super glue inside that hole and then put our vase on top. And then we just get to decorate. And I didn't overkill decoration, so I got window clings from Dollar Tree. And we're going to use 2 of those. Okay, so y'all, this is my second time using window clings and DIYs. The first one, not so bad. This one was a little bit of a pain in the butt. But I made it through. I can't say that working with window clings is my favorite. I guess I just got to keep practicing, you know, like techniques and whatnot. But so far, I'm kind of on the fence right now. But they are very pretty. And I can still put them on the windows for the boys or whatever. Now, let me say something. So I did this one time with stickers. You see how there's 2-sided? One time I did not pay attention. I was like, oh, I used all my stickers. And I threw the dang thing away. Not realizing there was some on the other side. Because I wasn't paying attention. So just watch for that. Now we're taking some disappearing purple Elmer school glue. We're putting on the window cling that we picked. And we are going to stick it on our hot air balloon. That was harder to do on camera. So I did show you me putting it on for a second. And then I finished off camera. It was just easier. But I think you guys get the idea. Yeah, it just took some finessing. You know what I mean? But I finally got it, so I was happy. And here we go. Here is the end result. I hope you guys love it. I think it's going to be so cute on a tiered tray. I hope you guys have a great day, okay? Thank you. Bye, y'all.